Hey kiddos, it's Miss Quisler. On today's episode, I want to show you how I made this fraction pizza. Let's get started. To begin my pizza, I'm going to start by tracing a circle on this tan colored paper for the crust. Then I'm going to use that same circle tracer to make the sauce, except this time I'm going to cut kind of a wavy line just on the inside of my circle like this. That way I can see the crust on the outside. And then I'll glue that on. Okay, before I add my toppings, I am gonna slice my pizza. So I'm gonna make one cut like this, which cuts my pizza in half. And if you're practicing fractions with me today, 1/2 looks like this. And here's the other half. 1/2 and 1/2 make a whole pizza. I'm gonna make one more slice across my pizza this way. And now I have 4 slices. And so when we're practicing fractions, we write 1/4 like this. 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. 4/4 makes a whole pizza, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use some paper to cut up some different kinds of pizza topping like this. Okay, I am just about ready to open my pizza shop. And look at that, I've got my first pizza order. So I'm pretending that someone ordered one whole pizza with cheese. So I'm gonna put cheese on the entire pizza. They would like half of their pizza to have pepperoni. So 1/2 with pepperoni like this. And 1/4 of the pizza with green pepper. And the last 1/4 of the pizza with black olives like this. It's looking delicious. These slices are ready to be placed on a plate, and then I can serve up my fraction pizza. Friends, I can't wait to see the art that you're making at home. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.